I just thought this was a pleasant sight, seeing the sun peek through after all this snow and weather. Oh, there it goes. Just as fast as it was here. It's nice out. It's a cool 25 degrees. How sticky that snow was. I opened the door jambs and on both sides, and the doors were jammed up with snow. A lot of activity next door over there. Oh, he's got the four-wheelers out. Oh no. Little tractor. Oh, there went the sun. I just thought I'd take that nice view of the sun and one more shot of that wicked rip curl snowbank. And the Jetta's in its cocoon down there, sleeping. Set hauls to get back on the road. So, hope everybody's enjoying their snowed-in time with their families. Today is actually my birthday, so I got snow for my birthday. Usually snows on my birthday anyway, but this was extra special. Definitely nice out. It's quiet. Except for my Jeep. Alright, let's see if I can get stuck. Till later.